Hello everyone and welcome back to SGTV. So today we are joined by Surej, who is a new face here at SGTV, and we're going to be talking about the Q-Nect range by Unicrimp. So Surej, before we start talking about these products, could you just tell our audience a little bit about yourself and your role here at Scolmore?
Yeah, of course. So I'm the new product development and research manager here at Scolmore, and my key responsibility is to design and develop products for the Scolmore group. Another key area that I look into is sustainability and how we can implement our products to be part of a circular economy. This is looking at materials, technology, and the life after purchase.
And something we also look after here at Scolmore is how the products are packaged and distributed. So that's everything from trying to eliminate as many plastics from the packaging itself, even to the laminates and glosses on the box, and everything from how it's packaged and boxed from our warehouse to our customers. So Surej, what have we got here then?
So this is our brand new Q-Nect range. We're very excited to be releasing this. This is part of Unicrimp, and as you can see, these are some of our IP rated enclosures and fast fit terminals.
Okay, first off, what have we got here then?
So I'm very happy to introduce our IP66 85mm outdoor enclosure. This is part of the Q-Nect range. Very quick and easy to install. You can see 4 quarter turn screws on the lid. You can install it via the 4 mounting point, or you can use a wall clip. Great thing about this box, it's UV resistant, shatterproof and flame retardant.
So a very, very tough product then.
Very tough product indeed. You can see multiple entry points, 8 of which have M20 threads. So again, putting a gland in is very easy, very quick. A DIN rail can be implemented on the inside if needed. And it comes with this nice little cradle which can house our lever connectors. Okay,
and that's quite a unique feature, isn't it? Because I've not seen that sort of rotating terminal block on the inside of a box before.
No, exactly. It's a 360-degree rotatable terminal block. Again, we're just trying to make all the aspects of this product very quick and efficient for installation.
Okay, and this one in particular, this is available in black and the dark grey finish.
Yes, so this is anthracite grey, and it actually matches our equip range.
So it's almost like you thought this through.
It's a family.
But these products though, especially with the equip range, if you're doing like an outdoor installation of whatever that may be, they're very often sat next to each other from where your cables are coming in and terminated. So it is going to look like it's meant to be, isn't it?
It will look neat, yes.
So I noticed we've also got these lever connectors inside the box there. So can you tell us a bit about these?
Yeah, of course. So as you can see within this box, we have the 5-port connectors. The 2-port and the 3-port also fit this. These are very quick and easy to install cables into. You can see we've got an inspection window, and these can take 0.2 to 4mm cable sizes. And we've also got the IP Box Mini, which is an IP66 rated box. It comes with 2 smaller glands, but can actually be used with grommets as well. This is extremely efficient to install because it has a fast fit terminal on the inside.
So that's eliminating the need for screw terminals, just to make everyone's job a bit quicker and easier.
Exactly.
And you've also got the neat little hinge like you've got on the other boxes here.
Exactly, you'll never lose the lid.
So Surej, we've also got these interesting looking products here. So can you tell us a bit about these?
Yeah, of course. So these are part of the IP68 range. We've got the inline connector here and the T connector.
Why is it a T connector?
It looks like a T. So these have tough nylon bodies, great for all weather conditions. Similar to the IP68 boxes, you can actually adjust the silicone rubber, so you can use multiple sizes of cable. These both come with a 5-pole connector, and then once you've connected the cables together, it's an easy twist to ensure that the cables are safe and it's waterproofed.
Okay, and I take it these work with the entire range of products within that group?
Yeah, these work with not only the range of products within the group, but if you are buying a Via lighting products, they work well with those as well.
Okay, and I think you mentioned before that they're very tough and durable, so suitable for any conditions really.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, what I would mention is all of these products are tough, suitable for all weather conditions. We have a box here which is shatterproof and UV resistant, and so are the rest.
So Surej, with you being in the technical department, can you tell us about your role in developing these products?
Yeah, so my role consisted of designing, developing, researching, and helping manufacture these products. I would be responsible for managing these projects from start to finish, and I just wanted to provide the best experience for our customers, which is why you probably hear me talk about efficiency so much.
So that's something you've obviously taken pride in, and it's obviously evident in the products and how well they've turned out.
I'm very glad you see it that way.
So Surej, we've got quite an extensive group of products here in the Q-Nect range. So can you tell us a bit about how these products could be used together or how they can configure with other products?
Yeah, of course. So all of these products here can work with our different brands, from Avaya to Click to ESP. So with Click, you can use this with the equip range. With ESP, it could be used with our security products. This includes any of the floodlights, any of the luminaires, and again with the Avaya, the garden lighting range, all the way to the outdoor bulkheads, absolutely everything. It's really down to the installer how they would like to configure this.
So it's quite versatile, as though, like you say, it's down to whatever the installer is either needing to adhere to or the on-site requirements, that they can use any of these products to get around any obstacles, I suppose, isn't it?
Exactly.
What advantages would you say these products have over competitors in the marketplace?
So we've added some features to these products. Starting with this IP66 box, you can see we've added a curved lid. It's very similar to our equip range. This is actually for cable space. The M20 threads, which allow easy gland access. The wall clip, again, easier mounting options. This small little box, now there's not many compact IP rated boxes out there on the market, so I think this is perfect for situations which you have a small space. Hinged lids, again, we don't want end users to lose any components.
So considerate.
And as you can see on these lever connectors, we've got an inspection window, and they are just very quick and easy to install cables into. I think I've spoken about efficiency a lot. Again, when it comes to designing these products, we're trying to take our end users into consideration, and this is what we've achieved.
So what challenges did you face, Surej, when you were developing these products?
So one of the biggest challenges when it comes to outdoor enclosures is weatherproofing. We need to ensure that these are IP rated. To do this, we do multiple tests. We develop these products to ensure that they hit the IP66 ratings or IP68 ratings. And these have actually been tested and approved.
So these are fully safe to use. There's going to be no issues. These have been tested to the max to make sure our customers are, first and foremost, safe to use these products.
Exactly.
So that concludes our video today, talking about the Q-Nect range by Unicrimp. I hope this has been useful for anyone watching out there. I want to thank Surej for coming out of the office today and joining us in the studio to talk to you guys about the useful benefits of these products. So, Surej, it's been a pleasure having you here.
No, thank you. It's been absolutely brilliant to talk about these products, and I hope you learned a lot.
And as always with our videos here at SGTV, if you like the content, please make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell below, and we will see you next time.